Hello, and today I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade and allow your your iPod Touch, iPhone, or iPod Touch 2G to be put into 3.0 firmware. This is a very easy process, so we'll get started now. So what you need to do is you got to download the firmware. It comes in a folder. It's actually a torrent, and I'll put the torrent link in the description. And once you have downloaded that, you have to go into iTunes. Just gonna have to wait for my iPod to. When it's doing that, I'm already in 3.0, but just hold on a sec. I have to retry something. Give me a sec. All right. Oh, fuck! I did it again. Hey, hold on. Let me try this again. When you're getting here, when you already have the 3.0 software, when it starts to come here, you have to keep your mouse here and make sure that you click the X when it pops up. Click it, and then it'll bring here. But anyway, when you're in the 2.1 or the 2.1.1 firmware, or the whatever 2.2, whatever, I can't remember. Yeah, it's the 2.2.1 firmware. You have to press, if you're on a Mac, you have to press Alt and then Restore, or Option and Restore, and you have to find your iPod Touch 3G firmware. I'm not going to do it because I'm already in 3.0. And so yeah. And now I'm going to be doing a walkthrough of the firmware. Okay, so here's my iPod here. It's 2G. And we'll unlock it. And so here's the basic home screen that you know and you love. And there you have the search bar, and you can search for anything like a song. I'm gonna type in a song called Bama Getting Money. Okay, so B, and then search here. And then you have all the songs, and then your mail. It pops up with the mail icon if you have any mails that start with the B or have any B's in it or A's in it, or whatever you type in, it'll just find it. So we'll pick a song. Yeah. Anyway, so once you have this and you want to look at a mail attachment, you click on this. And then the other great thing about the 3.0 firmware is you can turn all of your mail sideways. And then if you want to reply to it, you can use the keyboard sideways, which is really nice. And another one of the other amazing features of this 3.0 software is that you can add multiple photos to one email. So I'm going to show you that. I'm just going to press this button right here. Going to press it there, and then I'm going to pick two pictures, and then I'm going to press share right there. and then it drops those 2 photos into the email. You can turn it sideways, and you can view the photos like that. Now there's also the push notifications and other things like that, but my iTunes account's having some trouble right now. I'm just trying to fix that, so I'm not going to show you that. Another one is the stocks. You can turn the stocks sideways, and I like this stocks view a lot more because you can scroll through your stocks like that, and you can look at the time range for the stock. It's not running right now. There we go. And you can look at it, the time length of it here. You can look at how much it has gone down and up, and the percentage of it. You can look at it like this, and the points of the stock. This is Google, and that's another great thing about the stocks. I think there was something new with the weather. I'm just going to check. No, there's no landscape for the weather. Yet to come. Alright. Now the one major thing that I love the most, and I went to the Apple store and I complained about this. Whenever I went into the mail when the 2.2 released, I mean the Maps application when the 2.2 released, was really pissed off because they didn't have the Streets View. I'm going to go to Cupertino, California, in here, and finally, would you look at that, I have Street Views. And now I have Street Views on the iPod Touch, which is phenomenal. So I am very happy about this beta release. And remember, whenever you're when you're loading the iPod menu folder, I mean the menu on the iTunes on here, and you disconnect and you reconnect, make sure you always press the X button when it's accessing the iTunes store and it's trying to. You get this error. I'll show you the error that you get. It makes it for developers only, so when it's accessing the iTunes store, it's unable to complete the activation if you're not part of the developer program. I'm not part of the developer program, so I'll just put the link in the description for the firmware. Follow the steps, and I hope you have enjoyed the review and how to put the 3.0 firmware onto the iPod Touch and the iPhone and all the other Apple products. Thank you for watching.